What is AWS Control Tower? AWS Control Tower automates the setup of a baseline environment or landing zone that is a secure, well-architected, multi-account AWS environment. The configuration of the landing zone is based on best practices that have been established by working with thousands of enterprise customers to create a secure environment that makes it easier to govern AWS workloads with rules for security, operations, and compliance. As enterprises migrate to AWS, they typically have a large number of applications and distributed teams. They often want to create multiple accounts to allow their teams to work independently while still maintaining a consistent level of security and compliance. In addition, they use AWS management and security services such as AWS Organizations, AWS Service Catalog, and AWS Config that provide very granular control over their workloads. They want to maintain this control, but they also want a way to centrally govern and enforce the best use of AWS services across all the accounts in their environment. AWS Control Tower automates the setup of their landing zone and configures AWS management and security services based on established best services in a secure, compliant, multi-account environment. Distributed teams are able to provision new AWS accounts quickly, while central teams have the peace of mind knowing that the new accounts are aligned with centrally established company-wide compliance policies. This gives you control over your environment without sacrificing the speed and agility AWS provides your development teams.